Okay, go ahead, brother.
Thank you for that. So yeah, like I said, Nostr makes use of relays. And what are relays? These are servers that act as intermediaries between users and the Nostr network. When user publish their messages or notes on Nostr, we call like tweet notes, we call them notes. So when user publish their messages or notes to relays, they broadcast them to other connected users. Anyone can run a relay without network or decentralized and start censorship. So like I said, relays are just like strings of wire that connect different users together to like share information to each other. So if one lays down, another user can pick up the work and do the tasks. And what about it is that it helps like keeps the decentralization like secure, but no user can track or how do I put it, can track or hack any relay because there are like thousands of relays out there. You can't like sit down and be tracking. It can't. It's not even possible. So that's why it keeps the network safe. And what about Nostr is that when you join Nostr, you get like a pub key. We call it or a pub key, a public key. We call it end pub, like Nostr pub key. And this key is like we have two different keys. We have the end pub key and the end key. So the first one pub key is so like your username, a set of different like numbers, like it's a username for you to like identify you in the Nostr ecosystem. You can share that to anybody to like add you on Nostr ecosystem to like add you to follow you on Nostr ecosystem. And the private key, this is the NSEC key. This one is used for to log in on any Nostr in client. What about Nostr is that when you register through one Nostr client, you can use the same npub and same NSEC to log in on any other clients. That's maybe you are using Jacking clients or Primer clients or on Diamonds. You have to start opening different accounts on each client. You can open one account on one and use the same exec to log in on all other clients. You get what I'm saying? You have like universal clients. So everybody has the same exec to log in on every client. So but make sure anytime you log in anytime you register your accounts or Nostr, make sure you keep your NSA key safe because that's like a private key, like a password. So if anybody asks a password, they can hack your account. So you have to be careful to not share your NSA key to the rest of the people. So yeah. So clients, like I said, clients that are like different clients. Clients are like different application built on Nostr, like different network or different like application built on Nostr. Like you have the Yakin clients, the social media clients built on Nostr to enable freedom of speech, all this kind of stuff. We have Primer, we have Damos, we have iFtalk, we have different clients on Nostr. These are like different applications built on Nostr ecosystem. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the benefit of Nostr, like I said, I think you should already be able to like grab benefits already from the expansion I made earlier. So Nostr is decentralized, meaning there's no single point of control or failure. So nobody can control Nostr. The control is like separated or like decentralized to everybody to have like a joint control or addition to the network. Censorship resistant, that means nobody can control what you are saying. Nobody can like limit your opinion or block your opinion. For example, now you can go on and just like drop any opinion you have about a particular topic without the fear of anybody blocking you or anybody like censoring your message or anybody like or other place like just limiting your opinion, limiting your coverage because at the end of the day, this thing nobody has the control to do that. Not even the people that create the application because they don't have the control. Because immediately you launch a client on Nostr ecosystem, you give the source code and the control to all the users. That you don't have a centralized control, so nobody can censor your messages or your opinion. And you have private, like I said, privacy too. Nostr enables privacy because at the end of the day, that like make use of end-to-end encryption and relays. That means your privacy is secure. Nobody will ask you for your name, your username, or nobody asks you for what do you call it, your name, your email, your phone number, your maybe your first dog or your family member or any nobody will ask you for that on Nostr ecosystem. The information is private to you and you yourself. Nobody will try to like all those questions. No, I don't know if I've been noticing that now. Anytime you download a new application on centralized media, centralized like platform, they will ask you for can we access other apps on your phone? Like all those kind of like information stealing like permission. And if you accept that permission, you can go to other apps on your phone and like withdraw or take information from them without even you knowing. So once about Nostr, the Nostr doesn't permit that. Nostr won't ask you for that. Doesn't need that from you. It doesn't like steal information from you to run ads or anything like that. It doesn't do that. And so the freedom of expression, like I said, yeah, like Nostr. I think the main motivation about Nostr is just like have a place or like a system whereby everybody is free to express themselves without the fear of being like picked up. I think all over the world, we have seen issues with even in Africa, in South America, we have seen, or even in America, we have seen issues whereby someone will come online, share their opinion about a government or a particular topic, and it gets cancelled. You know what I'm saying? It gets like I don't know. Recently, I've been seeing issues, like trend like that, but somebody will like criticize the Nigerian police and then the next thing, like getting picked up already. You get what I'm saying? Stuff like that doesn't like come up on Nostr because when you post on Nostr, information is private except you reveal your whole face and your information yourself. We don't do that. Nobody can like track you down to arrest you and stuff like that. So there's freedom of expression on Nostr. Nobody will like limit your expression or anything like that. So so Nostr makes your cryptography to yeah to ensure privacy and security. Nobody can like hack your account because there are like millions of relays out there to like guide your information on your account. So that's the benefit of Nostr. So Nostr ecosystem, like I said earlier, I've mentioned relays, clients and stuff like that. So yeah, that's just it. And so yeah, so but as you all know, I said I work with Yakin clients. We focused on like decentralized social media to like ensure free speech. I think the idea behind Yakin is just like help people from different countries to like have their own free speech. You get what I'm saying? To like ensure like information is not limited because one thing about the about societies that when information is getting limited or is being controlled by a central authority or a group of people or maybe a group of elite people, that society is stand for them because if one people or a group of people can just control information that's going out in the world, that's not good enough because the truth is going to be limited and it's going to be censored over time because those people will use their power and influence to push their own narrative, which can be false, but nobody will believe that because I know there's this thing that says that stories or history is being told by survivors or victors or people that won the battle. So we don't want something like that in this in social media space. We want a space where everybody that contributes and everybody can share their own truth and own their own voice. That's the whole idea behind Yakioni. We created a space for everybody to share their own like opinion without being censored and without the fear of the information being leaked. So Yakion, you have different features of Yakion. You have the notes, long form articles, videos. You can post videos. You can post articles. You can post short notes. You have the smart widget too, whereby you can like use to like create like content, like beautiful like Canva, yeah, like Canva, like that, like a mini canvas for you to like create for, like a broadcast or information about like a particular event you want to host and stuff like that or products. Yeah. So you have private DMs. You can message someone directly in their DM through Yakion clients. You have an integrated wallet too. You can create a wallet on Yakion and use to receive SAT and send SAT out. Can even use your wallet like to sap a valuable content and stuff like that. So like I said, Yakin is a client to Nostr. It is built on Nostr. Like it is built on Nostr. It is integrated in Nostr ecosystem, and it makes your Nostr network to like function to like ensure like we promote make use of the free speech, the censorship, and decentralized benefits on Nostr. So yeah. So, but what are the benefits of Yakion? Yeah, Yakion, like I said earlier, Yakion is meant to like our main goal and like purpose is to like support free creation, free creation publishing. We don't charge you except if you want to like post what they call it exclusive content. You don't all those like kind of like or want to boost your what they call it the views you get and stuff like that. We don't nobody charge you anything to post that. To post on Yakion is free. Just like other Nostar plans, post is free. Yakion like is a decentralized platform. Your information is private to you. Nobody will like invade your privacy or limit your what do you call it your message. So yeah, and also what about another interesting thing about Yakin is that when you post valuable content, because we believe in value for value, when you post valuable content, like post a long form article and you post valuable content, you even get like stats because hey, can you guys follow me? Sorry, hope I'm not being too fast or can you guys hear me? Okay. Can I get it? Okay, all right. Thank you.
Loud and clear, loud and clear.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, like I said earlier, once about that is that we believe in value for value. When you post valuable content and like you should don't have once about that you don't have to post like this content. You can post any other like topics like sports. I think for the last few weeks now, what I've like been working on is just like make sure like different people like I exposed to the fact that you can post other topics not related to Bitcoin. You can post topics on sports, entertainment, politics, different topics. Because we have different sections for when you enter the Jacking platform, you get to see different section for different topics. So you can like choose like, oh, I want to see topics on Bitcoin, or I want to see topics on Nostr. I want to see topics on entertainment, like lifestyle, food, movies. You can post movie reviews, you can post politics, different topics generally. So every topic is welcomed. But so when you post valuable content on the action plan, especially the long form article, when you post long form article that are like really, really good, like maybe 300 words article, 400 words article that are like really, really good. Trust me, you get a lot of people is happy active, like a lot of people like giving valuable value. When you post valuable content, you get sats. A lot of people use that directly to your wallet, and you receive it when you post valuable content because a lot of people like really enjoy like seeing people do amazing stuff and post amazing content. So not about the client, Yakin client. When you post on Yakin client, every people, other people in Damos client or Prima client, you also see your post. That's why I said the whole no ecosystem is like built to be integrated together. Like everything is connected. You can use one NSEC key, your as a password to log in on every other clients. And when you post something on one client, you see it on the other clients. So yeah, that is it. And why should you join IQ? You can. It's honestly, personally, yeah, I just enjoyed like I love the like the all the interface generally. I love how the interface is really cool. Like the AI is really, really beautiful, easy to use, easy to understand, and you can enjoy decentralized like the benefit like this and censorship opportunity. You can even meet like others like a lot of like amazing Bitcoiners out there from Africa, North America, South America, Asia, different kind of like defense. You can even like connect with um different top OGs or these other places, other big Bitcoin guys like you can even connect with this Jack Dorsey, you can connect with Fair Jeff. So a lot of amazing people out there to connect with on the Nostr ecosystem. So yeah, you can see our interface through the pictures. You can see different amazing UI. You can see how can choose the dark mode or the light mode. You can see the amazing interface. And this one right here, this Bitcoin in Africa. This was the smart project created by Bitcoin Ubuntu. I really love that content. So yeah, you can see amazing content. You have you can like see the log articles right here. You can see this verify notes. Can you once about it that you verify notes, yeah, when people post it and you verify it, can you get like SaaS rewards if your what they call it like community notes is being like is accepted, you can get like a small unit of SaaS too for post posting to that aspect. Have a smart widget feature. Yes, so you can see people getting staff on those staff just by sharing their like opinions and stuff like that. So you can like zap it directly when you contribute like amazing stuff to their clients. So yeah. So yeah, honest, we have been like we have partnership with, like different countries. We have different users from 170 countries. We have a presence in Asia, North Africa, North America, South America, and we have like different one of our founders are from like South from Asia, and they are very amazing people. They have been like promoting Nostar in different continents, not just limited to Asia. They have been like pushing Nostar in the African clients in Africa and South America, and different areas of the continent. So yeah, that is just it about Nostar, and you can see how amazing the interface is. Yeah, so you can see you can post sport articles, you can post different stuff. So yeah, that is it. I will share down this. I think the slides to you guys after you can like see it. And also, we have I don't know like yeah we have like we use sometimes we use like community meetups online. We have a strong community in Kenya, in Tanzania, in Nigeria too. So we use community meetups online too, so like weekly community. And that thing is that you can download the Jackion app on Play Store. You can search Jackion on App Store, Play Store, download the app, create an account, and if you do that, I think Destiny can share my phone number or my your yeah. So you can message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Send me a screenshot of you using Jackion app and send me your Lightning wallet and you get subs too for that for down Jackion wallet. See that I'll give you that give you guys that benefits. When you download the Jackion app, send a screenshot to me. So you guys will get some stats for that. No more stats, but at least something. You get what I'm saying? Something like just like appreciate you guys for buying into the idea. So yeah, that is it. Thank you very much for hearing me rant and yap to you guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'll be looking to like answer your questions. And yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, Mary, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dada. That's a very insightful presentation. So my question is what's it called? Is the software, is it a software one, and is it only for Bitcoin? That's like, is a social media Bitcoin platform, or can you also use it to do your push communication for other products or the services, um, perhaps services using Bitcoin somehow, projects using Bitcoin? Because I do believe that the platform, from the last interface you showed us, the platform showcases um, Bitcoin interactions, Bitcoin activities all around Africa, and then maybe somewhere along the line, all around the world. So my question is it just Bitcoin oriented, or it also cuts across Bitcoin to other businesses, other projects, but maybe Bitcoin related? I just want to know the scope of operations or the scope of engagement of this. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that question. I think I mentioned that Nostr client is Nostr network is like it's like a network on its own. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can like I'm sure you have maybe you're familiar with like Ethereum network. You know you can like build different contracts on Ethereum network. So what they call it, Nostr ecosystem to has its own network, its own technology and stuff like that. And Acuon and Nostr clients like enables different like topics, different stuff, Bitcoin related content. You can post anything on Nostr. As I said, we have different like clients on Nostr ecosystem. We have clients for different aspects, not just only social media. We have like streaming platforms. We have different like um content and different clients on social Nostr to enable different content. You can even build anything. You can even build anything of your choice to. If you have like the resources to do that. You can build your own like clients or patients or Nostr ecosystem to enable anything you want to like build on it. And on the Jacking client too, you can like post different things on Jacking clients. Whereby you can put, like I said, you can post like sports content, food content, anything, any topic general. You can post anything there. Anything, just like in the regular social media, but anything is encouraged to be posted there. So yeah, thank. Hope I answered the
Okay.
question.
Yeah, yeah, that's brilliant. But can I ask the follow-up questions to that? Now, what is the traffic flow? So let me say, for instance, I'm sharing now. I do have a project, and then I'm looking for social media campaign platforms, right? And I'm looking for platforms because that's what my interest is. As somebody who is in a lot of projects, that I think that, especially projects for young people, right? So I want you to share with me, what is your business analysis on this platform? So for instance, when you want to talk about very high level professional platforms, you go to LinkedIn, right? If you want to talk about something more unconventional, not very serious, you go to Facebook. I don't really consider businesses in Facebook very serious, although people use a lot of Facebook. So this is really new for me. So I want to ask you, what is your analysis? What is the traffic rate? What is the success rate of people who post things? Are young people there? I know now young people are so much into TikTok. This is quite new. I haven't heard about this. And now you were saying it's not only about Bitcoin, you can post many things there. So for several projects that I'm involved in, if you are a business analyst or like a media personnel, will you tell me to say, Mary, this is a platform you can post A, B, C, and D because this is the traffic rate, this is the, you know, um, perhaps rates of engagement when you put things there and all of that. I really want to learn practically how does this work and what advantage will this give to an individual, to somebody who's posting something fun, to young people, or something even serious. I just want to see your expert judgment on this. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope I'm not asking too many questions. I'm very inquisitive.
No, no, no,
Thanks a
no, no,
lot.
no, I like that actually. Thank you for asking questions. I like that.
Yeah,
So,
thanks a lot.
yeah, so I think just like any other like social space, just about like
Mm-hmm.
connecting within your own
Mm-hmm.
audience. You know what I'm saying? So there are a lot of like users on those ecosystem. Like I said, once you post it into the Jackie client, you can interact with like different other clients, so demos, the
Okay.
primary ecosystem. So you can contact with other people on different like clients too. So around this, it's all about you like building your own like audience. You have to connect with people, follow people, comment on their
Mm,
own post. So they follow you back to when you do that. When you post valuable content, people definitely interact with your post. And when you follow people back, drop valuable comments, valuable interaction, they also we I do same thing back to you. You get what I'm saying? It's all about like follow for follow or interaction for interaction. You get what I'm saying? It's all about building your own audience. And when you do that, people then interact with your post too. And also for young people, I think definitely I won't use the word old, but technology is still new technology. It's just like using technology. You get what I'm saying? It's still new. A lot of people are still like pushing it and coming to the space. So there are a lot of like young people out there on the space. I won't say they are like old people, but I won't use the word old people. Like there are a lot of like tech savvy or like people that are like
yeah, like innovative minds. Yeah,
yeah, exactly. There are a lot of innovative mind on the space. So yeah.
yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. Question answered. Thanks. And then sorry again, oh dear, sorry. How do you download it? Because I heard you say it's free. So how do you download? Do you go to an app like your Play Store to download it, and then you begin to, like when we were downloading our Bitcoin, sats, or the Blink and all of that. How do you access this app? Dada, you there?
Yes, yes, definitely. I mean, yeah. So the thing about Nostr ecosystem is that you can like interact with Nostr ecosystem from like different. You can go to like at nostr.com. You can see like to interact with Nostr, but best way to interact with Nostr ecosystem is you find a client for specific reasons. Like I said, there are different like clients for different purposes. There are like for example, media space like long form articles, short notes, and videos, stuff like that. There are like different clients for like streaming, like this, like using Google Meet. Now you have like iTalk for streaming meetings and having like a group meetings. You have different like clients for different functions. So you can just like you can check Google to like see like for different clients and different people that they work for. So that's the best way for you to like interact with Nostr clients, Nostr ecosystem. Just find like clients for different like purpose you want to do. So if you want to like have like a social media space, like interact with people socially, you can make use of Yakin clients, but that don't I just go to like App Store or Play Store to search for Yakin and you see the Yakin there, you can download the app and create an account, keep your NZ key and that you see when you log in, you see different people post and you can see the note feature. You can also share your own posts, videos, and log form articles there too. So that's the best way to interact with those ecosystem. Can just dial the client I go to dial the hacking clients for social media, any social media activities to that's the most ecosystem through the hacking clients. So yeah, hope I answered the question.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Yeah. Anyone have any other question to add to ask before I say something? We can see
Destiny, I think you can go ahead, please. Thanks. Destiny.
I think it's having network issues.
Yeah.
So you guys can like go ahead to download the Yakion app, and let me drop my number in the comment section. So let's like message me on WhatsApp or Telegram.
Mm, thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah, so sorry. My network cut. My
yeah,
network cut. But can you hear me clearly? Let me
yes.
confirm.
Yes, we can.
Awesome. So I want to just add a little on what Dada said. Let us picture Nostar. Oh my God, I'm back. So sorry.
just give me some. Okay. So let us picture. Let me mute this stuff. Okay. So let us picture Nostar as a network, similarly to like the Bitcoin network. We have the Lightning network, which is built on top the normal Bitcoin network. The Bitcoin network is a layer one, and the Lightning network is the layer two. So that principle still applies to Nostr. And Mary, you asked a question. What is what is like the attraction to Nostr? Well, one reason why people are attracted to Nostr is because of freedom. They want to be free to post what they want. They want to be free um, for everything. They don't want to be censored. Our normal social media, there's a lot of censorship there. Once you register in any social media, your identity has been taken from you through them. Any post you post, you are not actually in control of your post. But with Nostr, you can actually have this freedom of speech. Bitcoin gives us freedom for our money. It gives us this freedom, but Nostr gave us this freedom on its own. I hope we understand. I hope you are following me.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Pretty clearer.
Okay, okay, nice. So this Nostr we are talking about now gives us this freedom. And one thing that I said, and one thing I know because I also use Nostr, there are different type of clients. For you to interact with the Bitcoin network, you will need to use different Bitcoin equipment. You need to have like a Bitcoin wallet. You need to have like a Bitcoin exchange in order to exchange your Bitcoin to start. You need to use like different things before you can interact with the main Bitcoin network. So for you to use Nostr, you need to use different clients. Yeah, Dada says there's an exact client that can help with Google Meet, like a live stream like this. So Yakioni now, this is where Yakioni comes in. Yakioni is a client that gives us this decentralized social media solution. Our normal our normal centralized social media solution is not actually ours. Remember, if you post anything that is not pleasant with the policy or is not pleasant with what the board of the social media agrees on or doesn't agree on, they can strike your account, and all the old thing you post from day one would be gone. But Nostr, yeah, I'll answer that question respectively. But Nostr, with Nostr, you can actually post something, and no matter what you post, you cannot be censored. It is something that you post, and everything you post would still be there. You can easily log out, or you can easily delete your Yakioni app and download another new Nostr social media client with your private key, and all your information, all your posts would still be for you. Same thing as a Bitcoin self custodial wallet. Once you delete your Bitcoin self-custodial wallet, you can actually use your private key. Yes, you need to use a client to interact with Nostr. So once you delete your self-custodial wallet, which is wallet that you have the private key, you can easily download another Bitcoin self-custodial wallet and use your private key, and all your Bitcoin and all your transaction will be there for you. So Nostr came from this idea of Bitcoin decentralized nature. As Bitcoin is growing, Bitcoin is actually inspiring others and everybody and innovations to build decentralized solutions. So Nostr is just a decentralized solution from the idea of Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoiners are more attracted to Nostr, because Bitcoiners love free speech. They want to just come up and say, fuck you, you're stupid, fuck you, you're mad, fuck you, you're stupid, you're shitcoin, you're this. But the normal centralized social media platform may not give them the ability to say fuck you, or they just want to be free. Bitcoiners want to be free. So Nostr now, with Nostr, there's a lot of solutions that can allow Bitcoiners to express themselves the way they want. As Dada has said, there are different clients that you can actually build on. You know, there are different clients that are actually on Nostr, and you can also build on Nostr once you have the resources. So there's one thing that me and I and someone was discussing. The guy wants to build a website, but it was like, Destiny, you know that this centralized protocol can easily be censored, you know. But I am trying to wait for a Nostr solution that can make web hosting very, very unique and easier. So this guy now is waiting for a solution to be actually built on Nostr for web hosting. So Nostr just gives you that freedom, just like Bitcoin gives you that freedom. And that's why I see this similarity between this Nostr technology and Bitcoin technology. And I was like, yeah, why can't we all understand what Nostr is, and why can't we all actually come into this Nostr game and actually understand what Nostr is? Another thing you need to know in Nostr is that if you are on Nostr, you won't like, the means of getting visible is not as easy as that, because Nostr doesn't have any algorithm. It doesn't have any algorithm to push your content forward. You just need to come into Nostr and build your community, as just as Dada said. So with all this, you have everyone can explore Nostr. I don't know if Dada can show us a live tutorial, or maybe he can just share his screen, show us how Nostr looks from his own end, so we all can have an idea of how it looks like. Maybe the Yakioni client for social media decentralization, whether he can just show us how Yakioni looks like. And yes, so I want to also add something. I want to also share my screen before I drop my mic. Sorry, I don't know if you can see my screen. Let me just share my entire screen. Sorry, let me share my entire screen. Okay, so can you see my screen? Can anyone see my screen? Okay, ignore. So you can easily go on your browser and search for yakioni.com. Then when you search for yakioni.com, create your you can just create your account very, very easily. So this is how it looks like. This is what how your Yakioni looks like on my desktop. You can also download Yakioni on your phone. It is very easy. You can see this message feature. You can see this smart widget and everything. There are also like different clients you can also explore. There's primal, but I would say Yakioni is actually amazing, and it's also good for posting long form article. You can actually start from there, then explore different clients as you progress in this journey. So thank you, Dada, for sharing this. I really appreciate the knowledge you just shared. And if anyone has any other question to ask, please feel free to ask. I saw Recipe ask the question. Recipe, please can you come up and ask the question directly to Dada, so that I can give you the response, please. So thank you so much.
So, Mr. Dada, because I'm using Primal right now. So, is there a difference between Primal and Yakione?
Thank you for that question. First, I won't say there's a difference, but they're like what they call it, feature like options because on Yaki anymore, and seem to they offer the same like solutions to like social media, like you get what I'm saying. They're both social media platform on Nostr, but Yaki has more feature because we enable like we have the best. I won't just say this because I'm like part of that hearing team, but because we have seen like reviews from Fiat Jab and other like nostalgia OGs that says that Jack has the best like long form content features because you have like good writing, editor like editor page for you to like write your content and stuff like that. You have the best editor page. We have like if you have like smart widgets, that is like to Jack. We have like different features. We have the DM features, we have note features, we have creation. You can like create all your posts in one like food like creating the question feature is like a folder whereby you pack all your content together, all your posts together in one collation so that you won't get lost or anything like that. So that'd be like very compiled. So you have like different like features as like that makes us like more unique or more uniquely different from like in primer, but they are still both the same thing because you have like we are both like social media clients on Nostr, but you have like more like different features. Yeah, I hope that answer your questions.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, let's say Dan, go ahead. Dan, do you want to ask any question?
Wow, I didn't know my stuff was still off. So good evening, Dada. I- I don't know if you have mentioned it before. I kind of joined the class like 5 minutes later when it started. But Yakioni, the wallets, do they support the Lightning network, or they're under they're direct to the on chain or the Lightning network?
Yes, we support the Lightning Network because we have like a partnership with Get Abi and other like Lightning Network initiatives because support like because that's why we have like a inbuilt wallet on our or like inbuilt Lightning network to receive and send out sats on the Yakuni app. So if you go to Yakuni app, you see the wallet inbuilt wallet. You can create your own wallet. You can edit your name for the wallet. You can like send out sats. You can receive sats. You can collect the wallet to your Yakuni account to receive sats directly to the Yakuni wallet. So yeah, we have like inbuilt Lightning network and we have partnership with Get Abi too. With Abi too. Yeah, that's the question.
Yeah,
You can see my
yeah,
also you can, you guys can see my,
yeah.
okay, thank you. So this is my screen. This is like Action web. These are looks like you can see like you have like different like sections. You have the social section, you have the food section for food related posts. You can see you can post about food, different stuffs. You can post about politics. You can see so yeah, who knows what so yeah, you can see the food, you can see different stuffs. You can go to politics section to see or write about politics content. So my network is a bit slow, so it's not fully loading up. And go to like live section, so about lifestyle posts. So yeah, so guys, like I said, you can post anything on Yakin clients. You can go to entertainment, go to music, go to sports. So any like different content is appreciated. You can post any content on Yakin clients. So yeah. So you can see the smart jet feature to like create you can see this is one created by so yeah you can see it's like I call this module like a functioning interactive flyer where I can like interact with the flyer. You get what I'm saying? To pass information and people receive information can like interact with the flyer. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. So you have verifying notes, you have the DM feature, you have notifications. So yeah, I have the profile too. Yeah. So yeah, that is it.
Yeah, and also, can you explain like how possible it is for me to transfer my private key to Primal, and how what is the difference between Primal and Yakioni?
Okay, yeah. Like I said earlier, I said the NSEC key is like is universal for like a entire Nostr ecosystem. You don't have to transfer anything. I just like anytime you want to log in on your like like your primer or another like Nostr client, just copy your NSEC key and just put it there. That is just it. You don't have to like do any transfer, any technical stuff. Just use your normal NSEC key and just put it there and just log in directly. That's all you need. And like I said, difference. Like I said, I won't say there's a difference because the Primer and Yakioni are just are both social media clients on Nostr. But like I said, Yakioni has more like unique features like the smart widgets, like the food editor. We have like long form articles, short notes, DM, video, and we enable videos too. So like I said we have like it's almost the same thing, but we have like more unique features. Yeah, so that's just it.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think if there's no other question, um, call we can call it a good learning day. So, anyone else have any question before our speaker leaves for something else? Because he's a very very busy man.
So as I just want to add, you guys can download the Jackion app, you can check the Play Store or the App Store, download the app. When you download the app, you can send like a, I don't know, Destiny can send my number to you
No,
guys.
I will. I will. What I will do is that I will add you to. Okay, I will add you to the group. I'll add you to a group where they can actually reach out to you personally.
Okay, so thank you. You guys can send the screenshots and your NPUB key of you using the app to me and don't might get some stats too for that. So yeah, just to appreciate you guys. So yeah, thank you very much for having me. Thank you, Destiny. Thank you, all of you guys, for having me. It's been a lovely time. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you,
Yeah,
Dada. I'm in your DM right now. Thank you.
thank you so much. We really appreciate you. We can't wait for next section like this. I know the next one is going to be the best one. So thank you so much. Yeah, cheers. So anyone want to say thank you to you, Dada? Anyone want to come and say thank you to Dada? I can see Blessed Dan throwing some emoji.
Yeah, it was a nice class. I'm grateful. At least we have known some other things, some other place where we know we can cause the government and they won't do anything to us. We can tell government your father yansh and they can't do anything to us. So, so yeah.
Very good. Yes, that's true.
For Nigeria, it did essentially, bro.
Yeah,
But yeah,
Nostra is
thank you.
freedom. Yeah, cheers. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So see everyone in the next section soon.
Yeah,
We'll have another section. Yeah.
see you, bro.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yo, Dinfo, before you go, Dinfo, can you hear me? Hello, Dinfo. Dinfo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm here.
How are you
How are
doing?
you guys?
We are great.
I'm good.